This is our second time traveling Bali on a budget, and after getting Bali belly and spending time in a room with one too many cockroaches, swarm of flies from the AC and red ant infestations, we decided that we'd had enough and we caved. So we are going to a luxury 5-star resort.
5-star.
5-star resort. It's low season, so we can get away with it. We've had a nice 2 days on Gili Air. We've actually quite enjoyed it a bit more than Gili T, so no complaints there. We're leaving Gili Air, getting the boat over to Bali mainland, and then off to Uluwatu. So, see you on the other side. When we made the decision to treat ourselves to a luxury hotel, we looked straight onto Agoda and this incredible deal hit us right in the face. This insane deal took the hotel down from £140 a night to £35 a night. That's for 2 people with breakfast included. Is Le Grande Bali really worth £140 a night? We're about to find out. You know a place is out of our league when there's like people on the gate?
Yeah, security, privacy. Went up a level of $20 and into $30 then.
More like 15 to the 35.
£15 to £35.
I think another sign or something's out of our league is when the road is tree lined. Then palm trees, equally spaced. First impression? Thanks, donkey. Thank you.
Well, you're welcome, pal. Dry your face. Must think we're doing.
Call me one.
I think he's okay.
Big. Wow. So this is our room. This is the bathroom. It is insane. Nice shower head, and we've got an actual bath. Incredible. So the bathroom is really lush, but what the fuck is this? Oh no. This is the room. It's huge. Bed is really wide, and then we've got a lovely view. And I'm not even being sarcastic this time, because I usually am when we say that. Ugh, did you lock this? Oh, don't work well with locks. Ugh. So we've got a lovely pool view. After about 7 hours of walking, we've made it to our room. Honestly, when they say this is a grand hotel, they mean this is a fucking big hotel. Like, I don't know how many, I actually don't know how we're gonna get out of this. We're gonna have to rewatch this back so that we can find our way out, because it's big. It is quite a large hotel. But hopefully that means everything else is big, because the bed's big, the hotel's big, hopefully the breakfast is big. Oh, did we find out about the buffet? Actually, I don't know what to do with ourselves now.
Well, you need to do some work.
So obviously the whole idea, the reason that we're here is because it's low season, so it's cheaper. But there's actually quite a lot of people here, considering it's low season. Maybe a lot of people had the same idea and wanted it because it's cheap. There's quite a few people walking around, people in the rooms opposite that we can see, because we're nosy. So low season isn't really that quiet season. We are on actual TV. The luxury. That's a big ass chair. Everything's big.
It is.
We are off to dinner.
Nice hotel.
We've had this and all you can. Oh, we're not there anymore. We're back. We've had There's an all-you-can-eat buffet.
It's cheap as well, so
Very cheap, very cheap.
gonna load up on that
Hell yeah. Before our bottomless breakfast.
for a non-breakfast buffet tomorrow.
So ready. Are we going to walk the stairs to work it off? Let's go. Bit disappointed because there isn't a bottomless...
All you can eat buffet.
There isn't an all-you-can-eat buffet. Is it supposed to be every day?
Well, according to the Instagram, it is, but
I think they said it's supposed to be on every Monday, but they've stopped it for the time being. I think 'cause it's low season, so they're picking it back up on the 19th, and today is the 7th, so we're just missing it.
breakfast is on, so
We'll get our money's
it's all,
worth there.
it's all we want.
Yeah, we got the most Western food on the menu. You ready? The buffet breakfast at Grande Bali is a good one, and you're about to see just how well it went down. No matter how picky you are, it caters to pretty much everyone, from savoury local food to sweet pastries. And let me tell you, this egg station is where magic is made. Custom omelettes every day? Ugh, the dream. Every day things will be switched up slightly. Different fried veg at the fried breakfast station, and different pastries at the continental section, so you never get tired of the same thing. Not that that's really a real world problem anyway.
One more left, guys.
Finish on a healthy note. Top tip for the breakfast buffet. Just because it's there doesn't mean you have to eat it all. It will still be there tomorrow.
Stop.
Too much?
Shut up. Might be sick, you know.
After a few more deep breaths, an hour in the toilet, a nap, and some self-reflection, it was decided today was going to be a lazy pool day, just to make the most of the hotel's facilities. Much to John's dismay, it also happened to be the day they were poolside serving up fresh pasta. Yes, he did cave, but not before working up an appetite. One thing they don't tell you is this hotel is 7 miles away from anything else, and it's at the bottom of a big hill. 2 big hills.
2 big hills.
You need a bike, or you just need to not be cheap like us and get a fucking bike.
Get a taxi, cheaper.
Oh, the second hill. Jesus, that's a big one. Our shoes are rubbing. Is that for real? That note, I need to go into sport mode. Okay, so first ignore the mess behind me because this is what a lived-in bathroom looks like. We've been here for 2 days now, so this is what happens. Now, one thing I will say about this hotel, and this is very nitpicky, but I've noticed it everywhere, not even just in the rooms, but downstairs in the public toilet as well. The flush on the toilet is on the side. This is a toilet. I didn't put that there. You didn't see that. This is the toilet without tissue paper in the toilet because we don't put tissue paper in the toilet. Ignore that. This is the toilet, and then if you want to flush, you have to properly go round the side. And it's not even a case you can just like flush and then, you know, leave. You have to literally stand with your head over the toilet because you need to hold in the flush. So when everything's getting flushed away, your head is like this close to it. So yeah, if I had to criticize something, it would be that. Ordering room service to feel bougie one last time. So last morning, we're going to be sensible this time. We're not going to take it too far, but we are on our way to the breakfast buffet, so...
Favorite part of the day.
That's us. We're off. Because we couldn't afford another day. Oh, by a nice pool that we never actually went in. For £35 a night, you really cannot fault the hotel. The facilities are great, the staff were lovely, the breakfast amazing. The only problem we had was the location being a bit out of the way. But if you're looking for a luxury hotel or you want to stay in and just chill, then maybe this is the ideal hotel for you.